Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the crystal report design in window-based C Sharp project application for project. So yes, I first my share laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Microsoft Visual Studio Express for window-based desktop application and series of my 8 video lecture we can take that all demo, so like a flush screen to validation up to search and validation all are completed. And now we can take a very important session for you, and that is a crystal report. First we can take designing, and then in next upcoming video we can take the coding. Okay, so yes, first there are two designing, so that taking more long sessions. So I divide by two video lectures. So first here that here window-based form designing, and also crystal report designing. So there are two designing. So yes, first I take here one form, and yes, here our solution explorer is here. So yes, fix this position, and here our main project that folder I right click and then add. Yes, and that is window form application. Yes, so that taking time. Yes, now is open. So C sharp is there, window form, and here we can give, and that is our employee. Yes, so we can give the name employee underscore uh, yes, employee master. Yes, we can give the master and report. Yes, so that is a we can distinct. So employee underscore master underscore report and add press, so that give one form. Yes, and then here we can take first this form design and then crystal report design. So there are two designing, so that session is very long, so I divide. So first we can design both form, and next upcoming my video lecture I take the coding part of crystal report. So yes, here first we can take to not A to Z all coding. So here I take first panel. Yes, and that is a yes our general. Yes, what that all form. Yes, here is there. So here we can go to common control, and that yes that is a taking as a container. Yes, so that container control and that panel. Yes, here. So here we can take yes first panel to our report form design. So yes, I full screen, and now I copy the header panel because you can take perfectly designing, so you can copy to your previously form one perfectly copy to your master page and one perfectly designed to your transaction form. So yes, our EMP, yes, here is the EMP employee. So I take this header all that panel. So yes, I directly that panel I copy Control C and paste to your design. Yes, so I paste, so that directly we can take advantage, so not waste our time. So yes, I take some width high increase. So that is a yes. Now I think let us check. So yes, so here yes, now I think complete. Okay, so that is a first, and now here we can take to ourselves. So here that are we can take yes perfectly now. So here we can again take one panel. Yes, and that panel here I passed, and that we have to take, that is so long. Yes, and here we yes perfectly. Now first we can take yes I go here and property window, here I go on this and select the property and fix that, and here I change the background color. Okay, so yes, so that panel and that background. Okay, so here we can take yes which color is there. So here our matching color over previously. So yes, I think that is a yes blue. So now perfectly, and here we can take three radio buttons. Yes, so I go common control, and that is a radio button. Yes, here is there. So one, yes, and second radio button, that is our crystal report design first our window form. Yes, and then combo box. So here is also combo box, that is a employee ID, then combo again, that is employee name. Yes, here is a taking in search we can take text box, and all that not any taking. And now button, two button we have to require. So one button, yes, and then second button, that is a C sharp window based application. We can take the crystal report form designing. Yes, that form is so long, so here what to do. So yes, I adjust our heading to here. So that is a that control is very small, and here we can change employee master report form, and that yes, that is a fast mouse is there. So I control S now shifting. So our date, yes, here, and time. So header is a all, and now we can take some decrease this panel size. So yes, now that perfectly, yes. Okay, so we cannot long size because here control is very less. Only yes, now we can take so middle part of that, and here I take to here radio button. Okay, so yes, now we can change our text and ID, and then our design is complete. Okay, and here that main panel I change that yes according to this, and form is also, and we can open in middle of the screen. Yes, so I select our form and go at the last, and that one property is that yes, that is selected. Yes, our window form application, and that startup position. Yes, start position. So here that giving the uh, center of parent or center of screen. Yes, not yes, that is a we have to take center of screen. And now I take this radio button and change that text. Okay, so first we can check change all text. So here we can give search, that is a report. So we can take employee ID. So yes, employee ID, and that is colon sign. Yes, you can also yes now, but that font we can also change. And then here second radio button, that is a employee name. Yes, and last radio button, that is a all. Okay, so all means the general report all. And then our two button is there. So first button we can text is a show, that display the report over, and second button we can take the exit. Yes, so exit we have to take, and yes, here I increase the size so that look better. Yes, that two combo is there. Okay, now is ready. Okay, so here now we can take first this font size. Yes, here is there. So I just go select that window, and that appear, takes some time, and now that is a I think open, so take more time. Yes, now is open. So regular, and here 12. Yes, and also you can take bold. Yes, there is no problem. So 12 size. Yes, now some looking better. Same process to name. Okay, and all. Yes, now that old and 12 and bold. Yes, name also, and last is all. So you can also give the color, but not here. We can give the color of yes bold and 12 size. Yes, fix we have to. And now yes, that button also, that font if you like, so you can also take same. So that is also bold and 12. Yes, and we can increase to some. Yes, now look better, and that exit. this last text that, yes, now bold and 12, yes, 12 size, not so large, yes. So increase the width and height of that button. Okay, now we can change to ID. Yes, we can select all and then one by one. So one you can complete all. Yes, first we can change the text and now we can change all ID. So yes, that radio button. So R, that is BTN, or we can just RB, yes, short, and then we can take the ID. Yes, I think we have to not taking this ID to others, so that is a creating problem. So yes, now that is no any. Yes, now here you can take RB and that employee name. So E name, yes, that is a, and last radio button. So I short RB and all. Yes, that is our radio button. And here that combo box is there. So that ID I can also change combo, and that EID, employee ID. Yes, I think there is no any ID. Yes. So yes, let us check. And here also combo and that student name. Yes, SM. Yes, that is I think not okay. And that is button last turn too. So I give the prefix btn. Yes, that is a only in previous my video lecture I take bt, and btn is a that show that also btn, that is prefix of button. You can also btn is more use btn and exit. Okay. So now complete our that first that window form that crystal report we can designing, and now we can take the our crystal report. So if you not install, yes, first you can install your PC, very easy step. So yes, I just show you. So here in my PC laptop is already installed. So see that is here software, and here crystal report 8.5 or higher version, and that setup exe is there. So you can double click and that gives some permission, and then step select, and that after that serial number product is demanding to you. So that is a reinstall, but I already installed. So that is a step by step process is there. So I exit. Yes, okay. And that I open crystal report tools. So here is there. But first we can take the DSN or database, means connection. So our table is open in the crystal report tools. So yes, how to create the DSN? Yes, now step is start. So here first our look at our database. So that is I think in the Honda, and that we can take in the bin folder. Yes, that is bin debug, and here is our database Honda underscore DB. So that we can take in DSN. So go in yes, that control panel. So I type to control, and that, yes, here is control panel. So I double click. Yes, that is a window 10. So that, yes, now open, and then you can take yes, that system security, yes, and administration tools. Okay. So that click, and yes, now that is a here DSN or DBC, yes, and 64. So that is window 10. So you can take 32 or 64. There are two ODBC, open database, that creating DSN. Also you can take the database file. There are two techniques. So here we can, in my connectivity part, also previously video lecture I take the database file, it means connection string, and here we can use the DSN. Yes. So yes, I select the add button here, data source administration 64 bits. Yes, and I add. So yes, here that access is not is there. So yes, here we can use the that 32 bits. Yes, there are two. Yes, now let us check. So yes, here is there. So I press add button, Yes, now is a here is driver is there. So that is my Microsoft Office is a yes here, but here you cannot select like here MDB Microsoft, that is 2003 or previously version. That is also you can take, but extension is a access DB our database. MDB is not there. So here both are there. So Microsoft Access driver and then finish. Yes. So that is asking the DSN name. So our Honda, that is a our main title, Honda showroom. So Honda, and we can say that DSN, yes, Honda underscore DSN. Or yes, or we can, yes, DB is our database. So Honda underscore DSN, yes, and select, yes, here one button is there. So I give the step-by-step idea. So here we can select the E drive, and that is CS project or main and Honda showroom, and that folder, yes, and then go in bin and then debug, yes. So our Honda, yes, access, yeah, access DB, access database, yes. Now you can select here also that all file and MDB is there. So I click OK and then OK. So yes, now look, our DSN is appear to here. So that is created DSN. Okay. So how to create the DSN? I covered this step also in this session. So go in control panel, administration tools, and then ODBC open database connectivity. Now I open the Crystal report tools. So yes, here is Crystal report. I click and that is open. So yes, now first we can as a blank report. Yes, here that existing report you can also open, but here I can blank. And now that taking the DSN name. So yes, our DSN is already is appear. Yes, Honda underscore DSN. Yes, I select. So that is our two table is there, employee master and logging. So here I select employee master and add. So that giving the green sign tick mark. Okay, right correction sign. So green sign, that means that add. And now I close. So this button, so that yes, now that open, and here one field explorer is there. So we can start our designing of crystal report. So there are five section, yes, and here width is a increase, but height is not increase. So that is a, if more field in your project, so you can take not all of field in your project. So yes, here we can, that is, and that is width is increase, yes. So here we can take, yes, I first designing. So here or yes, field explore, and that is a here insert menu that giving the field object. So that is open. If you close this here, I just show you. So yes, I mistakenly close. So where is you can open? So insert and field object. So that appear. And now that our employee master, I take and drag and drop. So that hold and here taking in detail part, yes, here. So that appear. Then here green sign, right trick mark sign is there. Then employee name I take. So that is a very width is so long. So I can take some short employee name is there, and also that heading. Yes. And here I take, yes, now perfectly. And then gender, yes. So that gender is very small size, yes, only that male and female is there. And we can also change our heading because that taking directly field name. Yes, let us check first. So that department name, yes. So yes, that's also short because high width is not increased. So we can take small, and then joining date is there. Yes, so that is perfectly that size. And Honda and that is a hobby, and Honda showroom is there over employee that field, and that's so long. So I give move here anywhere, and now I, yes, that all selected. So yes, I control Z, yes, that also control Z, undo and redo. So yes, that is hobby. So hobby is so long. So yes, there are three hobby, I think. So we can take here. We cannot increase the size of this. So here up to, yes, I all hobby here. So here what to do? So here that ID is very. So I give the first yes here and some. So we can take access to our field step by step. So only one, yes, now we can shifting our one by one all field, and that is a gender, that department name. So yes, and joining date, yes. So some size is increased to our hobby field. Yes, yes, now that better. Okay, now we can take some extra field, and that we can first page footer, and that is we can take, I close this, and special, yes, here some special fields is there, and we can print the page number, page end to ends. So I take directly to here and decrease some size that is very long. So yes, now I move to, that is a page footer. Okay, so page footer you can give every page footer and page header, and report header is only one time appear, that is a and page number of page every, and detail is our main table field, and that is that heading. So heading go in the page header, and detail section give the value. Okay, so now we can take our header part of report complete. So yes, I close, but we can take, yes, here two is there. So our print date, yes, I take report header, print date and time. Yes, so here, so directly that field is possibility. So here I increase some size our header. Yes, so we can take our uh, company address, means Honda showroom company address. And now I close this file explore, field explore. So yes, here we can take the our logo. So what to? So insert menu, you can go insert, and here is a picture box. Yes, and then yes, that our logo. So I open, and that is appear. Yeah, look. So here I paste here. Yes, now complete. And here also increase. You can increase the height, but not increase the width in crystal report tools. Okay, so that is a designing. Yes, now we can take our heading. So how? So insert menu very important. So many line is there. So also we can take line, that picture box. Yes, and here uh, cross step very group to one report. You can combine the multiple field, that you can use the group. And here text object. Yes, so here I take our title of report. So that is a employee. Yes, employee, we can say that master report. Yes, and we can select and also increase the width. Yes, here is there directly. So yes, now, and that is a, just not selected, so I select, and then we can take width. Now ready, and we can increase. Yes, so that complete. And we can also take bold. Yes, so that also, yes, 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 what happened. Okay, so that is a, yes, now, yes, now complete. And here we can box. Yes, so here insert and box is there here. So I take the box. Okay, all are in one box, so that look for better. Yes, and here our logo is there in the inside the box, so that looking better now. Ready? And yes, so that employee, yes, what here one blank is there. So employee master report. Yes, where is the report? Yes, here in inside. So I increase the width. Okay. Okay. So now ready, and we can take the print. Yes, here print date, and now we can take second field text object, and here we can take our address. Yes, so I copy to our previously. So where is there here, and here our, yes, I just copy. So yes, here is the text. So all I control C. and pass to crystal report our header. Yes, so I here. So yes, now that size is increased. Yes, here automatically that increase the size. Yes, and here width and height. Okay, and then we can yes that we can take 20. So not go so long that is. So here give some short, some decrease the width and height. So then appear. So yes, let us check. No, not 18, but 14. Yes, now that look. And also our print date and time. Yes, I increase. That is a print date and time. So I take to here. And also that width and height I give the 12. Yes. So look for better. And now that complete. Okay. And now also to insert field object, not field object, but the text object, that is heading here. That is we can take the date. Yes, and here I some size is decrease. Yes, here and taking to that. Okay, now and we can take this heading to here and that address to here. So now perfectly. So yes, increase that width. Okay, and that same insert the again text field object. So here I take and give the time, and that also decrease that width. I deselect. Yes, now select, and that handler, that is known as handler, and here now I take to, and also that size 12. Okay, and also that date size is 12. So now that perfectly look, and also some gap between date and print date, that is a value and that is heading. And now turn to our, yes, that is our, yes, I first save this file. So where is you can save this file? So yes, that is a also we can save in our Honda, that is a folder, and then bin, then debug, and we can create one folder. Yes, so we can directly dynamic path. So here I give the port one folder. Yes, and then we can save in this folder. So yes, and give the report name as a employee underscore master so master, and then you can say that report. Yes, so our form name is same, employee master report. And yes, but here extension is RPT, crystal report. Here look that save. So EMP underscore master underscore report, and where we can save where our database is there. So here we can save all report in one folder. So now that's save, and let us here is a one press that refresh. So yes, all here look at our designing. So that perfectly, and yes, our heading is a table, so we can change. Yes, and that we can provide the lining also. So that is a first preview. Yes, now you can look two tab, design and preview. So we can go again design, and here we can change our ID, not that employee. So I just give the ID. Yes, and underline, that is a underlining. So page header you can change. So I take and deselected and then select, and here we can remove the underline and providing the bold and taking the 12 size, so that looking better. And also value you can take some increase size 12. Okay, yes, let us check, and again that in double click, that is a already a text object is there, so that is a name only, and employee name, because employee master report, so we cannot prefix is a employee, and underline we deselect bold, and heading is bold, and take 12 size, and value only 12 size, not bold, simple, so that we can all feed one by one. So that is a taking more time, so I can only designing in this session, and after we can coding based on this designing. So yes, deselected and then again select and go field the text font size, and then that is under U and press bold, and then only increase that font size 12, that value. Okay, same process to all. So here is a department. First letter we can capital and full name. That is our default at taking the table field, okay, as a heading. But we can change to according to our requirement. Yes, and then that is value we cannot change. Only that font size we have to change, and that is joining date is that. So here we can take all full joining and date. Yes. So now that we can take here 12. Yes. And then here go and take 12. We can fix 12. You can also require to base on your requirement. And last that are hobbies. So here hobbies. Okay. Now here first select. So that previously our heading is deselected. And then again you can select this and take 12 size, and then unselect U for underline and take bold. Okay. And now our value, yes, sir. So that is a change, yes, and that size is outside of, yes. So all are well. Yes, and here value we can shifting, yes. So here now, okay. So that is, and we can also take the line, yes, here insert and line is one object. So here we can not in detail, but here we can heading before and after we can take our lining. So yes, and then I copy and paste. So yes, let us check. Yes, now appear, and yes, I here. So heading we can take the lining. Yes, so before or after our heading, not in also you can take, but that not look better. So yes, now look. So yes, deselected. So yes, and also inside you can take that is a lining, but that not looking better. So yes, yes, and here our logo we can also take boxing. Just let us check. So step by step you can increase your perfect designing. So here we can again take the box and look like this, creating inside our logo as a box. Yes, here. Okay, like panel, that is same effect. And here our second take box, and here our all part this box to here our address and date and time all are, that is look like panel. Yes, I, yes, now what to do? So I increase the sum size and increase that box size. Yes, here that is handler, and that is now increase that. Yes, now okay. So that is a, yes, so so yes, now again I heading increase that here. Okay, and that box is increase size, width, and height. Yes, now here that box is there, and here I increase that width or height. Yes, now perfectly. So that look better. Okay, and then all selected and then taking to here edges. So not, yes. Okay, now is perfect. And here, yes, I think all are well. That selected box and increase that height. Now that look better. So all are perfectly, and also yes, report filter. If you can, so many field is there here. So if you like here, so like report title is there. You can also taking report title to here. We can text object. You can also take report title, report comment, some file path or file name, author name, date, time we already take. Yes, so many field is grouping name, record number. Yes, so group section formula. So already so many fields. And here you can step by step. Yes, now here that we can save, and that is control edit undo and just special past view, that some ruler bar and toolbar is there. Insert, that is very important. Total like department wise and grand total and sum, that is summation. So here too we can use, that is already here is that open file explore, text explore. By just summarize and lining box picture, we can start if your report is taking. So you can also use start, and then formula. Yes, so here alignment is there. Okay, so you can select, and that alignment formatting also use, and then you can take also add, remove, report, alias, that. Okay, so that is so many option is there, and export, import, that all are analyze windows. Yes, so here I finish. So here now next session we can take, because that's so many long, and let us take this preview last. Yes, so I close this field explore, so you can look over that. Yes, I deselect all. So now you look. So yes, only change is required to here, that combine box. So I take to below. So yes, that box is there, and here we can shifting that box to here. Yes, but that logo is shifting. So here picture box is there, our rectangle is there. So yes, now that is, yes, now is decrease. Yes, look, but here is a box selected, and then that, yes, now look, I think better. So yes, I save again last, and you can also color, all are there. Yes, now that looking better. So all are perfectly well. Okay, so I finished the designing part. That is a perfectly, we have to taking both designing. So here that is designing. Yes, I take my screen to off, because my upcoming video lecture is coming. So yes, I close this session. So yes, that is very important session for you. And here two tab is generated. We can take here refresh, so that report is running. Just refresh data, and that report is open. And second part, in first part, we can take also window from designing, and look that also run we can, and how that designing. So we can only run, but first I change in our program file. So where is there? So here our solution explorer is there, and if you know very well, so here our programs. Yes, and I take directly not welcome screen, all no, all we have to not run, but employee, and then that report form only we can run testing, that look our designing. So I run now this page. So yes, that is also look for better or not. So we can just running. After next session, I take the coding part. So here I finished yes, that look that perfectly in center of the screen, and all coding part here, only designing part I take. Okay, exit, show, and all our report we have to take in next session. So yes, I think you can understand. So yes, that is our crystal report tools 3.8.5, that report I have to use, and both design we have to complete. Yes, so that is our designing, and that is a crystal report designing. So I hope you can enjoy this session. Very interesting for your project. Yes, uh, now subscribe my channel Ashok C. Jalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.